In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email recipient in Jotform. If you want your form notifications to reach the right inbox, or make sure submitters get a confirmation message, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to adjust, without any guesswork. First, open the form you want to update. Log into Jotform, head to My Forms, and find the form you're working on. If you manage multiple versions or similar forms, double-check the title so you're editing the correct one. Click Edit to open it in the Form Builder. This puts you in the place where all your form settings and emails can be managed. Next, go to your email configuration. In the Form Builder, click Settings at the top. On the left side, select Emails. This section is the control center for anything your form sends out automatically. You'll typically see two types of emails here. A notification email is sent to you or your team when someone submits the form. An autoresponder is sent to the person who filled out the form, usually confirming their submission or providing next steps. Now choose the email you want to modify. Look through the list and click Edit next to the one whose recipient needs to change. Inside the email editor, you'll find tabs for content and recipients. For a notification email, the recipient is usually a specific inbox, like your team's shared address. Update that field to the correct email and make sure there are no typos. If your plan supports multiple recipients, you can add more than one, separated as instructed on screen. For an autoresponder, the recipient is typically tied to a form field, such as the email field that your users fill out. Confirm that the dropdown points to the correct field so the confirmation goes to the submitter's address. While you're here, take a moment to review the From Name and Reply To options so replies route to the right person. This helps avoid bounced messages and keeps your communication consistent. When you're satisfied, save your changes in the email editor. A quick visual scan for the green confirmation or save message will let you know it's locked in. That's it. You opened the form, navigated to the email settings, and edited the specific email to update its recipient. If you want extra peace of mind, send yourself a quick test submission afterward to confirm it arrives as expected. This small check can save time later and ensures your form is doing exactly what you need. Thanks for watching and happy form building.